This is Kay. She's one of my best friends. We're here at a birthday party. Well, in this video we are. But yeah, we arrived a little bit early, so we decided to entertain ourselves for, well, 2 hours, because that's the time when the rest of our friends arrived. It was a bit fun, but then we got bored, so we decided to fidget with our phones for a bit. I do have a lot of videos of her singing, and I sang too. This is Rondell. It's his birthday. He was the one late for our party, which was kind of funny because he was late for his own party. We had a nice time on the birthday. We did the pie face challenge. But yeah, that was the first week of February. It was a bit interesting, but the next week is gonna be much more interesting than this one. We were supposed to arrive at a work seminar in Alabang, but what happened was our car broke down, so we had to walk along the highway. Me, my sister, and my mom. We arrived late, of course, but we still tried. We had to commute. This is my mom. She wasn't too happy about what happened. This is my sister. She was a little bit happy of what happened. We didn't arrive on time, so I went to a cat cafe. This is Siege. She's famous. We went to the cat cafe together because, well, I didn't really have anything to do in Alabang, and, well, I'm in the area, why not see my friends? I went to Alex first, my best friend, and then I asked what did she wanted to do. The cat cafe was a whole spontaneous thing. Well, sort of planned because I really wanted to see cats that aren't my own. Even though I have like 6 cats. Yeah. I'm a crazy cat lady. It was a nice time at the cat cafe. I would love to go back there again. I'm actually planning to take my friends there, so please be prepared for other cat videos about this cat cafe. It's pretty awesome. It's always nice to hang out with my friends. CJ and Alex are also one of my best friends. CJ was actually at the party, but I didn't get a video of her at that one. Alex wasn't though, she was busy with work. That was the only time I actually got to see her in February, which was kinda sad, because she is actually the one true best friend. I'm not saying that my other best friends aren't true best friends, but I'm talking about, like, you know, the main best friends, like in How I Met Your Mother, things like that. I think the next week, well, within this week, we were quite busy. We arrived at Kay's place to make a wedding cake because two of our friends are actually getting married in the US and none of us could afford it. We had to make banana cake. Rondell was the main chef. I was just assisting because I was the only one who knew how to deal with fondant. That's Jazz. She's the bride. And that's Steven. He's the groom. That's right, they were helping us with the wedding cake. And Jasmine loved the excess wedding cake because it was made of bananas, which is her favorite. The next day was a bit hectic. So during the wedding, we were preparing Jazz. We didn't let her do anything other than play video games and get pretty because she sweats a lot, and I do mean sweats a lot. So we were just taking a bunch of videos, backgrounds, pictures of her. There's actually going to be a video. I don't know if Dash is gonna be done soon, but there will be a video posted in our AC Penrev channel, which I should be leaving a link to that channel as well, because that's where all of my friends are. We all had fun, we got dressed up. It was a fake wedding, but it still felt real. Even though there wasn't a lot of people, it was just a small wedding with close friends. I'm gonna miss Jazz because she's gonna go off to the US and not come back in 5 years, which kinda sucks because she was one of my dearest friends, and if it wasn't for her, I wouldn't have met the rest of my friends. Steven, however, didn't dress up as well as Jazz. Again, it was a fake wedding. He didn't really have a suit, so we just got this instead. So yeah, that was my February. I hope you like this new format. I want to keep doing this format because it kind of reminds me of End of the Fucking World, which is one of my favorite Netflix series, and I will rewatch it again just because I loved it so much. Anyways, thank y'all so much for watching, and I love you. Bye!